Ja, dan moeten we gewoon winkelen.
It's sticky in this country before. It feels nice. I'm always sweatered up. And I know that summer did not come last year for you folks, I'm told, so it came with a vengeance this year. Down in the weeds and the tendrils, and I've been worn by certain generals, and I've seen the moonlight on a stack of quarters, and I've seen the milk in the hand of the farmer's daughter. So baby, you'll be wrong to think I'm easily amazed. I hold out for surprises I do not hope to be safe. Play close, I'll let in, receive it, hold on, taste it, release it, release it, release it, release it. There are mountains, there are forests, there are tiny electric seahorses. Now you can't be too many things at one time. Wake up in the morning, cry. There are mountains, there are forests, there are tiny electric seahorses. Now you can believe too many things at one time. Wake up in the morning, cry. I wanted to have a dream that the Shriners and their pheasants were out in the park with the gangster disciples. They were all in a circle with their arms around each other. They were singing "Hold Me Closer, Tiny Dancer." And in this dream I believe there will be some answers to many so long hidden questions. But I went to sleep last night and I dreamed of nothing. Oh, but don't you know it's hard for me to say that I'm sorry. There are mountains, there are forests, there are tiny electric seahorses. Now you can't believe too many things at one time. Wake up in the morning, cry. There are mountains, there are forests, there are tiny electric seahorses. Now you can't